Hey, do you want to learn how to make PowerPoint presentation slides with ChatGPT? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So over here on chatgpt.com, on the left-hand side, we're going to explore GPTs. And inside here, we're going to type in Word, text, or PDF to PPT, PowerPoint presentation, PPT slides. We're going to click on it, this first one. Now this is our GPT and we're going to start chat with it. So you can attach a file to it, which could be a Word or PDF document. And it's going to convert all the text inside it into a PowerPoint VBA code, which you can then use in your PowerPoint. So let's open up PowerPoint as well. Now here, I'm going to give it a sample text, which is going to convert it into a PowerPoint VBA code for us. Like this one, I'm going to paste it. Now it's going to give us PowerPoint content outline and the main idea, the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. And just like this, it's going to make these slides here till the slide 9, which is conclusion. And after that, it's going to make a VBA code for PowerPoint. Like you can see here, we're going to let it run. All right, so we got the code here. We're going to copy it. And it's also going to give us instructions for running the VBA code. And in order to do this, we first need to press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. So we're going to go to PowerPoint, go inside a blank presentation, do an Alt F11. And it's going to open us this, which is Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. This is VBA. Now inside this, on the left-hand side, we're going to click here, right-click, insert, module. And inside this module, we're going to paste that code. And it's going to automatically name it here, generate vTiger CRM slides. So now we are done. We're going to close this from here. Now on your keyboard, press Alt plus F8, which is going to give us this pop-up which says macro. And we have got our module here, which is generate vTiger CRM slides. We're going to select it and click on run. Now we have got the slides made inside PowerPoint that we generated off from ChatGPT. And these are all the slides and I can move through it. And now I can go to the design on top and change the theme for our slides. These are all the themes and you can also browse more themes. If you've got a theme that you have downloaded for PowerPoint, you can insert it from here. And these are the default themes. You can select one of them like this one. This looks really nice. And I can move through the other slides. The theme is applied to all of them. There's also variants here that you can select, different colors and such. And that's it. That's how you can make a PowerPoint presentation slides with ChatGPT. You can convert a Word document, a text, or a PDF file into PowerPoint slides with this GPT that I showed you in this video. And that's it. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more videos on PowerPoint or ChatGPT. And you're also going to find my other software tutorials. If you have interest in those, check it out and see you there.